Maramdi irang si continue tawradi hatred oiba pain oiba suffering se dum helagani.
Not to spread around fake news and make this dreadful situation worse.
Putting the question to the government on what steps they are taking up currently.
Hauzik lamdam asida thokliba kanglup kirang ase santi hanjilakna bagidamak Global Manipur Federation Central Europe chapter na sinduna ngarang di hek Netherlands peace prayer pangthokre. Ngarang nungtil pung ani dagi mari fawba pangthokiba peace prayer aduda Netherlands amadi Central Europe talairiba Manipuri sing amadi Indian sing na saruk yabaga loinana minute ani silence talaiduna awaba phongdoki hairi.
Ngasi akoina gather tawrisi Manipur da thokliba irang asi peace restore tawna bidamakta akoi prayer ma tawjakina laksabni den hakta. First thing aina hanjaning badi Manipur da thokiba irang asi ahan bada yam loishanba yam thuna loishanba ma darkar wai. Maramdi irang si continue tawradi hatred oiba pain oiba suffering se dum helagani. Number of people suffering, number of people dead se dum hengalakani.
First of all the big media houses and all the news outlets should be more responsible with what they are sharing with their viewers and their readers. It's rather disappointing to see so many big names like Al Jazeera and Deutsche Welle sharing a very one-sided and biased view on this conflict. Secondly, we as the public, we should be more responsible to not to give in to misinformation, not to spread around fake news and make this dreadful situation worse.
First of all, I would like to start by putting the question to the government on what steps they are taking up currently to manage this conflict and bring on peace in the state of Manipur.
Illegal immigrants entering into Manipur in large scale has not only disturbed peaceful coexistence and security in the state, but also have threatened the fundamental rights of many Indians.
Manipur! Manipur!